That advisory expires officially tomorrow at 5 a.m. Tonight we have team coverage as we monitor this wind event. KRON 4 Chief Meteorologist Lawrence Carnow, he's live with us in the studio. He's been tracking these conditions all evening long. But first, let's go ahead and step outside where Gail Ong is standing by here in the city. Gail, how windy is it out there right now?
Well, Vicki and Grant, we are seeing a lull in the winds at the moment, but take a look at this video earlier today when the winds were whipping in the city. These beachgoers had to change their plans thanks to a wind advisory.
We just wanted to go for a bike ride because we thought it was going to be a nice day at the beach, but it's not.
The winds were whipping along the coast here at Ocean Beach. Even though you can't see it, you can feel it.
Mainly the sand, because the sand is kind of like flowing straight and it's hitting us right in the face. So it kind of hurts.
Wind speeds in San Francisco have been clocking in up to 50 miles per hour, and those kinds of speeds should be taken seriously.
You always have the issue with trees falling, lower limbs or broken limbs, especially from burn scars falling. This time, since you're associating with the beach as well, you have to consider things like swell on top of that.
San Francisco Recreation and Parks closed Stern Grove due to high winds, and with these winds, lightweight cars pulling trailers can be difficult to drive over bridges and overpasses. And even though these high winds did not prompt the National Weather Service to issue a red flag warning,
winds are strong enough to spread these fires if there is a fire pretty quickly. So that's another thing to just, I hope folks are aware of, just like, oh, it's not a red flag warning. That doesn't mean you can have a campfire tonight.
and even though the wind advisory expires at 5 a.m. tomorrow, the National Weather Service says we could expect a gusty day tomorrow. Granted, Vicki, I did see some trash bags that made its way in the middle of the street, so good idea to secure those and other items that can blow out in the wind. Live in San Francisco, Gail Ong, KRON 4 News.